A few years ago, I saw a Tom Scott video that was titled, "This video has 15,526,237 views." And here's the hook. As more people watched it, the title changed. And while someone could go in and update the titles every day, Tom had a program to do that for him. The rest of his video was a metaphor for how eventually everything stops being maintained and breaks. I wanted to make a video that updated a title based on the view count. I can't make clever metaphors like Tom did, but as it turns out, I also couldn't write a program to do the updating. At least, I used to not be able to, until I started using ChatGPT. I work as a software engineer in big tech, but in truth, I'm an okay programmer, but not great. I don't know how to use the YouTube API, but ChatGPT does know how, so I can get it to do the hard work for me. I asked it to look at a certain YouTube video, get the number of views, and modify the title based on the number of views. I told it to use Python and that I was running Windows. What it told me to do was install several Google Python packages, set up a project on the Google Cloud Console, and then I asked, why am I using the Google Cloud Console for YouTube API? So I asked ChatGPT and found out, yes, I actually do have to use the Google Cloud Console because it manages the YouTube API and probably a lot of other Google APIs. All right, that works, so let's keep going. So in the console, I have to enable the YouTube data API, I have to make credentials, and download an OAuth secret file as a JSON. After I do all that, ChatGPT gives me a Python script that's about 50 lines to run. So I copy the Python, paste in the ID of one of my previous YouTube videos, and run the script. But then I get an error. It says, I'm trying to run console, but it doesn't exist. So I ask ChatGPT, and it tells me that the run console should be run local server, and it gives me an updated block of code. I try it again, and it takes me to the Google login screen. And I found out that the app that I just made wasn't verified by Google and I can't run it. So then I asked ChatGPT, and it tells me I can add myself as a test user to this app. And so that's fine since I'm just using it for myself. I try it again, it works just great. It changes the title of my video. Of course, for a title that updates every day, I don't want to be logging in all the time. So I asked ChatGPT how to avoid logging in all the time. And it tells me to use pickle to save my credentials and reload them. That works the first time. It then gives me the information to how to schedule a daily run on Windows. I haven't done that yet because I haven't finished this video. So I may not be that versatile of a programmer, but with AI, it turns out I don't have to be. This is Dubious Insights. Thanks for watching.